Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix App Store not downloading apps. When you try to download app from App Store and it's not working for you guys, it's pending, then I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. First of all, you have to close this page, and first of all you have to open setting and make sure that you are properly connected with internet. If not, just simply you have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds and then turn it off, and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you while you are using mobile data to download apps, just simply turn to Wi-Fi. And if you're using Wi-Fi, turn to mobile data, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it's there guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to open settings, scroll it down. From here you have to go to screen time and make sure that you have turned this toggle off. Then go back and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, open settings, scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down. You have to make sure that you're not connected with VPN, and also make sure that you have set your time set automatically. So from here, go back and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, just simply open settings, scroll it down, tap on general, and make sure that your device is up to date. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open settings again and just simply scroll it down, tap on general, then you have to scroll it down and just simply you have to go to transfer reset iPhone. From here you have to reset your network setting, and after that you have to force restart your device, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.